Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. This is my unboxing for Ipsy Glam bag, October 2019. Let's get started. The subscription is $13 a month. You get to choose at least one of your items, and the rest they basically just choose for you. This is the Betty Boop glam bag. Pretty much, it's a very cute bag. It has a little Betty Boop thing. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we got our first item, and it's called Vanilla Apricot. It's pretty much, I believe it's a fragrance. Let's see. Yes, it's a potpourri fragrance. It smells very strong. Not for some that actually have allergies to fragrances, especially perfumes. It is a very interesting smell. It smells kind of floral, very subtle, not very strong, but still, if you're allergic to any of the fragrances, make sure you give this to someone that actually is not allergic, because this is kind of strong but not too strong. Okay, let's put this back in the box. Okay, our next item is diamond foils. I believe this is the eyeshadow. How do we open this? Open it through this way. Oh good, it's PETA, anti-cruelty free, so that's good. They don't use animals to be tested with this type of product. It's really hard to get open. Let's do the other side. I don't have nails, so of course that's a struggle. Anyone out there that doesn't have nails, you know my struggle. Okay, finally got it open. It's a pretty like sizzle. Let's see. Ooh, very gorgeous. I love the color. Like a metallic kind of gray, very shimmery. See, it's got a little splotch. No, it doesn't really show up on my skin tone. Here we go. It's more like a shimmery, kind of like, very shimmery, kind of like brownish bronze kind of like color. It's very cool. I would probably typically wear this with like black eyeshadow or maybe like a purple and then like shimmer of the outer eyelids. It's very cool. Very cool. Okay, now the next item is Trust Fund Beauty. This one I believe is the lipstick. Nope, it's not the lipstick, it's the nail polish. Very plain, very perky pink, and the color is, oh please focus, Adulting. That's a very interesting name to name a nail polish, but overall it's very perky, a little too much pink for me in my opinion. It's like that kind of color. It's like for like French manicures or something like that. Pretty much it's like a perky pink, kind of very faded. If you want to use it with like a dark tone on the outer layer of your nails. Not something I would typically wear unless you're one of those girly girls that like perky pink and plain, very adventurous kind of like colors, but not typical adventurous like dark colors. but it's very nice. I wouldn't recommend, well, in my opinion, to be wearing nail polish because I'm not a nail polish person, but definitely for people out there that like colors, this would be for you. Okay, what's the next item? Murad Acne Control Clarifying Cleanser. So this is like a face cleanser. Pretty much doesn't, I don't believe, I think it's hypoallergic. Or, no, it has some fragrance in it, but it's not much to actually break you out. So if anyone out there that has sensitive skin tones, please make sure that you actually read the back so that you know if you're exposed to any fragrances. Be aware of the possible breakouts. I'm one of those people that have sensitive skin, so I always use hypoallergic makeup, lotions, anything that has no fragrance for sensitive skin. It's typically for people that, you know, are allergic to like fragrances. I'm not allergic to fragrances, but I am allergic to certain fragrances, not like perfumes, but mostly things that go on my skin. So when I spray a perfume, I usually spray a little bit on my skin and then that's it. But this, however, I haven't really tried it yet. I will give a review regarding this and let you know what I think about it. Okay, next item. This is the one that I picked for my Ipsy bag. They are now doing this since October 1st, 2019. You get to pick at least one of your items to be put into your Glam bag. I'm not sure if Glam Bag Plus actually does this, but I know Glam Bag alone have at least upgraded their Glam bags, but are charging $1 more instead of $12. Well, it used to be $10, now it's $13. So instead of $10, it used to be $12, and now it's $13. But you get one of your items at least that's worth about $30 in your Glam bag, and then everything else they pretty much just choose for you. But this is the Betty Boop limited edition lipstick. I'm not going to open it because I will be giving this to someone. I'm not personally a lipstick person. But this is the color Mauve Baby, and I believe it's kind of like a cream, kind of like a dark color. I don't personally like any lipsticks, but I chose this for someone for their birthday. But overall, I like Ipsy. There's just some things in there that I will give to someone else. But this is the lipstick. Let's see, what else do we got? Okay. Don't forget that choice is yours. It's time to get personalized on October 23rd. You get to choose one of your Glam Bag products, and then using our Ipsy Match technology, we'll build the rest of your bag. They started this on October 1st. So anyone who is just starting with Ipsy that is not a member, make sure that on October 23rd you become, or before October 23rd you become a member, so that they can actually get your subscription membership going, so you can get one of your items basically personalized to your interest, and the rest they'll basically just do on their own accord. So these are for people that just have Ipsy. They pretty much got to choose on October 1st. But on October 23rd for new members, you guys will be able to choose, you know, your own item, and then the rest they'll basically just choose for you. But that's it for this unboxing. This is Adventures with Ruby. I will be posting more videos in upcoming months. I will be going to the Chinese New Year parade next year, so look forward to those videos, and you guys have